if you're into marketing, let's talk particularly about ads. So in ads also there are three things that are very important there. First is the creative part, second is the ad copies, third is target. There are three important parts in ads. Now what you can do is like each and every part has its own features, own speciality. Now you have to see that which one works best for you. I'm not saying that you can avoid others, but what's the main target? Main target is the ad should run very good at good ROIs and generate results. Experting in each one of them can generate good result individually, and you can client is yours for like years. Now from creative part, if you think your interest is more into brands, magazines and ads library of you want to see the vision of the brand, what models they're using and what type of background lighting is working these days, you should focus more on creative part. Suggest the clients like before the photo shoot that use this type, use this background, this color, this model, height this, color this, a lot of features you can describe. You can give the samples also. Trust me, if you have very good creatives, other two things you don't even need. You can be like average in that. So this is the thing if you are good in creative part, right? Second is the ad copies. If you're good in copywriting, you love to write, you usually from childhood, or you like a lot writing stories, writing image, or you love texting, describing yourself, your emotions, then you can focus more on ad copies. Read books, read courses in ad copies. Trust me, if you have good ad copy, your ads are gonna explode. With average natives, with average targeting, your ads are gonna explode with good ad copy. And yourself, when you post on LinkedIn, when you post on social media platforms, if you know how to write, how to attract your audience, you are the winner of the game. And third option is targeting. If you're good in research, trends and Google Analytics, you love to see what's running in the world, what's going on, then targeting is your cup of tea. You can choose the words, keywords according to that. You can choose the targeting according to that. If you're very active, you know the brands, you know the competition, you know the brand which is doing very well in the field, you can target that audience. You can go through his website and get encouragement according to what he is doing. So if you're good in research, you can find out very good keywords, very good audiences, and if you get good audiences with average ad copies and average creatives, you can make wonders happen, especially where keywords are very important. And also when you're targeting your ideal customers, marketing yourself, you know which words to use. You are good in that. Clickbaits, the thumbnails you can use very good. You're good in research part, go for targeting, read books, read the analytics type of courses and make you some better. So individually each part is good for your clients and for your company. You can go in depth, you can work more in each part and make average or give that to your co-founder in others. Now how to find out that what you love? You love ad writing, you love research, you love the creative part, what you love. So this action item, what you can do is like go to your search history, go for Google search, go for YouTube search and see what are you searching. Write it down, your last 2-3 months history. Know yourself in that. Write it down. Second, what you can do is like, what's your favorite movie? Write it down. Like why it's your favorite movie. Let me tell you one thing. Usually when people say this movie is the favorite movie, they idolize its main character or his features, his behavior, his decision making, something like that. He fantasizes that he can be that figure one day, or he loves that. That way you can know that what qualities you like, which you don't have right now, or it's somewhere that come out of you sometime, but you don't let it come out because you're working or just been watching. So next what you can do is you can list down the books which you read a lot. Like if you read a book twice or thrice, that's a very good parameter to decide what you like. And what you can do is like you can talk to your friends, your family. By this you can know that what exactly are your interests, what you like in these three words. In marketing, these are the three words actually, nothing else. In lead gen, it's very good if you have good copywriting, keywords also. Everything else is connected to this. One more parameter actually is the sales. If you know human nature, if you like to express some of your product, means if you can sell, I'm not talking about actual selling, but if you can sell an idea to your friends, families very easily, then probably you're good in sales. You can sell your product to your ideal customers. It's way of presenting. Sales is actually the way of presenting. So you have to list down that in which part, where you are good at. Actually, it's knowing yourself, that how actually you know yourself. Once you get what topic makes you interest, form a behavior, see which skill is most likely to perform among this, choose that skill, read everything possible on internet about that. skill. Develop it. Make action items. Put it in your warm app. Spend daily 1 to 2 hours in that work. Whenever you're free, do it. You will definitely do it. It's your hobby. So if you get good in any one of these skills, you're gonna outperform everything. Actually, you can form a full-on company on each one of these skills. Yes. So know yourself. You will know what things you like. Make yourself expert in that. That would be a work, and the work word won't be a boring thing to you. I hope that works well.